Good morning. Today I'm going to discuss about how to create the queries. Okay. So first of all, what is a query? A query is a condition. A query is a condition to extract the data. Okay. Here, uh, if you want to extract the data, you should write the condition. Okay. So first you have to open the this open office. So I'm opening my open office. Okay, click on the database. So already I have I created already my database. That's why the database name is IT. Click on finish. Now this will be open. Okay, so in these tables, already two tables I created. Okay, while creating the table, you have to ensure here the SID field in the base table. This is called base table. Okay, and this is called this is called child table. How we can know the child table means, so the common field is repeated. Now SID, this is the field in the base table, nah? So for mapping the records, definitely there should be two common fields are needed. So here SID here and that SID in the base table. So using these two, we can extract the data. Okay. Now, while creating the table, that SID, you should create the SID primary key, whatever the primary key is there in the base table. Same field, you should repeat it here as a common field. Okay. Okay. Now, if you want to establish the query means, first of all, you should establish the relationship. Okay. So if you don't establish the relationship means, we can't get the proper validate data. Example, I will show you. Here, click on the tools. So just I will maximize this. See. So here, click on the tools. In this, relationships are there. Click on here. Here, no relationship is established. There is no relationship is established. Okay. So now what I'm doing, I want to create a query without establishing the relationship. Okay, and relationships are three types: one to one to many to many. Okay, so one to one means one record is mapped with one record of another table. Okay, and one to many means one record of base table is mapped with many records of child table. Okay, many to many means many records of base table is mapped with many records of child table. Okay, now create a query in the design view. There are three methods are there to create the query: design view, query, create using wizard, and create query in SQL view. Click on this create query, and you have to ensure that I didn't establish any relation. Okay, so click on the student and click on the parent and close. Now it is not showing any relationship here. If it is there means one line will come from student to parent. Here there is no line like that, nah? So no relationship is established. Okay, now simply you select the fields like this. Okay, those are aligned in this grid. Next I want pname, I don't want PID. Okay, city, country, mobile, and SID also you should put, so that you have to know the difference. Now what I want to do means I want to extract the records from two tables. Okay, so I want to extract the student table, SID, S name, math, English, science, social, total, from the parent, P name, city, country, mobile, SID. Okay, now you click on run. Now see, so here the data is 30 records. 30 records means in the parent table In the parent table, 5 records are there. In the student, 6 records are there. So 5 into 6, 30. So, but here, if you see here, this is invalidate. 1025 already mapped with 1025. Again 1030 again mapped with 1025. That means here the student name is Abdul, the parent name is Amar. Again, this Amar is repeating for all other records. This is called invalid data Cartesian product. So how it is happened means we are not established the relation. So simply, I don't want to save this, close this. I don't want to save. Now what I want to do is I will establish the relationship. So for that, see, click on the tools and click on the relationships. Okay. Now already these tables are added. If it is not added means click on the plus, automatically it shows the list. Okay. Presently no need this. Now from I want to establish the relation with the help of common field. Here that common field SID is called foreign key. Okay. And here SID is called primary key. Okay. From here to here, just create the relation. Now see here, 1 to n relation. That means what? One record is mapped with another record. Okay. Now click save. Okay. Now I established the relationship. Now same I want to try to create the query how I did before. So click on the query on the design view. So add the two tables. Okay. And click close. Now see SID, SNAME, math, English, science, social, total. Okay. Here PID, PNAME, city, country, mobile, SID. Okay. Now I want to run the query. Before 30 records came, now how many records will come? Only just 6 records are there. So according to 5 in primary table, 6 records are there. The 6 records are mapped with 6 records in the other table. So this is valid data. Okay. So this is the advantage of establishing the relationship. Now I didn't apply any condition. Now I want to apply the condition. So I want to show the records whose total is greater than 150 per suppose. So you see, this is the criterion position. Okay, in this criterion position, just greater than, I'm giving the condition greater than 150. Okay, so that means after running this query, the records will be, the resultant records are that whose total is greater than 150, those records will be displayed. Now click on this run. For run query F5 or click on this option. Okay, so this is the option. I'm magnifying. Okay, click on this option. Okay, okay, on the query. Now see how many records are there. This many records are there, and my query is greater than, what's my query? 150. So greater than 150. So if you see this total, okay, sorry, if you see this total, all the values are greater than 150, and see these records are getting sorted horizontally only on the basis of column name total. Okay, so it won't be getting sorted only with the this column wise, row wise getting sorted on the basis of total. That means first 165 record full horizontal. If you take one, I applied greater than 165, greater than one. I applied greater than 150. So here, uh, 165 is greater than 150. That's why this record was shown. Okay, again 162 is greater than 150. Horizontally, this record was shown like this. Understood? Okay. Now, what I want to do is I want to save. So this is the query. Click on save. So simply give here query on. This is, sorry, click on, wait. So it is saved. Okay. Now my query is over. Just close this. Okay. So what is my query name? Query on total. Where is my query? MySQL. It is not. So this is not actually. Okay. So again, I'm creating the query using this design view. It's not getting saved, it seems. No problem. Student. Okay. Now put it this parent because that is the base table. No? Okay. Now see SID, name, math, English, science, social, total. After then PID, PName, country, mobile, and SID. Click here. Now see only how many records? 6 records only came. Okay. So there is no invalidate data. Everything is perfect. Okay. Now I want to apply the total on this criteria greater than, okay, greater than 150. So I want to show the records whose total is greater than 150. Click on this run or F5. Now see, so all the records are shown in such a way that uh, who met this condition, total is greater than 150, those will be shown. Click on save. I'm giving here, this is query on total. Okay, so click OK. Query total, I gave the name query total. That's it. So this is all. So see, query total, this is my query. So this is creating the query in design. Okay, like that we can do a different conditions greater than. If you want to show the records whose score is greater than, whose English score is greater than 40, like that. Now we'll go for the create query using wizard. So this wizard supports only one table. So I'm creating with the one table only. So click on student. Okay. So you have to select all the fields. Okay. If you don't want to select means no need to select. I want all the fields. Click next. So just ascending order means student SID. Okay. Click next. So here only you have to give the condition. For suppose maybe science. So here science greater than for suppose science greater than 30. That means I want to show the records whose total is who scores who scores the science more than 30. I want to display. Next, click next. Okay. In this you can't don't want to do anything. Just click next. Here I want to give on science. No? I applied on the science, so I'm giving query science. SIC. Okay. Okay. So that's it. Okay. So whose here all the records are displayed in such a way that who scores in science more than 30, that will be displayed. Okay, this is design view. Okay, and next we'll go for SQL view. Okay, in the SQL view, uh, this is the interface. We can't say anything in this, so that's why you have to get ready with the tables. Whatever the tables you want to extract the data, that table you should open it and get ready. Why? Because this is the case sensitive. Whatever the columns are there, in which case they are same order, we have to give the same case. Okay. So first I want to extract the data from two records. Here it supports multiple tables, no problem. So that's why select asterisk. Asterisk means all. Okay, all the records. Select asterisk from. So student here, case once you check the student is capital or small. So this is in a small only. So we can give the small. And parent. How it will be the parent? This is also one capital letter. Rest of all smalls. So here, okay. So I'm selecting all the columns from two tables. Click run. Here also we are getting Cartesian product. Okay. For that, here there is a flexibility. We have to write the condition. Okay. In design view, there is no, if you establish the relationship, there is no, we can't find this type of Cartesian product. That means invalid data. Okay, here it will be eliminated by giving this condition where SID equal to, which matches the SID of primary key of base table with the foreign key of child table. Okay, foreign key of child table is small SID. Okay, yes. Now, if you run this query, so it's telling something wrong. So where SID equal to SIT, this spelling is wrong. That's why. Okay, I did wrong. Okay, now it's okay. Now there is no invalidate data. Okay. Now from this I want to uh, extract uh, who scores the social science more than 40 per suppose. Here and here what is the field name? Social. So this is the case sensitive. How it will be? You have to write same. Social greater than, okay. Here 30 I'm writing. Okay. So this query gives the result. It shows the records in such a way that the two SIDs should be same and also the social marks are greater than 30. Now see, click. Now only two records. Okay, these two records, if you find this, all the both SIDs are same, no invalidate data, 1030, 1030, 1040, 1040, and the social marks are greater than 30. Okay, so you can save this query 2 with, you can give any name. This is on math, that is this is applied on the social. Okay. Okay, now I just close this and I want to create one more query. Using SQL view. So in such a way that I want to update the data. Okay, so okay, updation and all we'll see later. Up to now this is okay. Yes or no? So before creating the query, you should establish the relationship. Okay. After that, you go for design view, go for that whatever this wizard. After then SQL. So SQL is the best suited. Okay. Thank you. Hope you understood. Have a nice day.